Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete all posts on Facebook. So go to Facebook first, click on top right corner your profile icon, this one, bottom right corner. Then just scroll down and you'll find here settings and privacy. Click on this, go to settings, the first option. Then scroll down and you will see here one thing, which is okay, hold on. Activity log, this one. Just click on this. Then you can see here your Facebook activity, the first option. Then just go here, post, see more. Then you can go here, manage posts. After clicking on this manage post, you will see all of your Facebook posts here. Okay, now you can delete it one by one like this and delete. Click on this and delete. Okay, another thing you can do is go to filter, click on date, and you can click on start date to end date. Now click on done. Now you'll find all of your posts which is from that specific date. Okay, so you can delete all if you want. Click on recycle bin, or you can delete one by one if you want. So guys, yeah, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.